This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Install Journalit from the App Store and open it to begin setup. Tap Create Account and add one email and a secure password. Verify your email in 5 minutes to activate the account. Choose a 4-digit or strong passcode for quick access or enable biometric unlock. Grant optional permissions for photos and notifications during setup if you want multimedia entries and timely reminders. Allow background sync for safe cloud storage across devices. Tap New Entry, choose a template, and start typing your journal right away. Use the built-in prompts or create a custom prompt to guide your thoughts. Add photos, audio, or video by tapping the media icon and recording or selecting files. Use tags and the mood slider to categorize entries for later search and review. The editor autosaves every 10 seconds, and when you tap Save to prevent data loss. Pin important entries to keep them at the top of your list. Search by tag, date range, or full text to quickly find past entries without scrolling. Sort entries by date, mood, or custom flags to build a meaningful review. Enable Cloud Sync to access your journal on 3 devices and keep content current across platforms. Set daily reminders at 8:00 a.m. to maintain a consistent writing habit. Export selected entries to PDF or ZIP for printing or backup when needed. Turn on 200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.